In this lesson we're going to learn about negative numbers. I want to tell you what negative numbers are, and I want to show you how to add and subtract negative numbers. So if you look here, I've got a number line, and the numbers to the right of 0 positive numbers. So those are like a plus, eh? And these ones at the other side are minus numbers. The ones at the left here. So if there's a minus sign in front of a number, that tells you how many it is below 0. So if we've got minus 2, that's 2 below 0. Minus 4, that's 4 below 0. And minus 5 is 5 below 0. Right, okay, so how do I add negative numbers? Well, here's some rules that you should know. A plus and a minus is minus, a minus and a plus is minus, a plus and a plus is plus, and a minus is plus. Okay? Right. So if we want to do 2 plus minus 3, we want to add minus 3, and it says here that a plus and a minus is minus. So that means this is equal to 2 minus 3, because we're adding minus 3, not 3. So if we take 3 away from 2, we'll get minus 1. Okay? Next example. I've got minus 5 and I want to add 2. If I add 2 to minus 5, I get minus 3. Next one, I've got minus 4 and I want to add minus 1. So then I've got minus 4, take away 1, which is equal to minus 5. Okay? Right, next example here, I've got 6, take away minus 5. So if I want to take away a minus number, what I'm really doing is I'm adding it. So I've got 6 plus 5 instead, which is 11. Yeah, I've got minus 4, take away 7. So I want to take 7 away from minus 4. So that'll give us minus 11. Okay. And here I've got minus 8. And I want to take away minus 9. Well, if I'm taking away minus 9, what I'm really doing is I'm adding 9. So I've got minus 8 plus 9, which is 1. Okay. And just because we've got some time, I'll show you how these rules work for very simple problems here. Right, I'm going to show you how these rules apply to something that we normally just do. Right. Now I've got 5 plus 4. And because the plus rule applies this, because this is a plus 5, this is plus 4, I'm adding a plus 4. And it says here that the two pluses are a plus. So I have got 5 plus 4, which is 9. So I'm just showing you how those rules apply. Don't do it like that all the time. Just write down that 5 plus 4 is 9, because we know it's right. I'm just showing you how it applies. Right. Next one here. I've got 6, take away 2. Right, so this is going to be plus 6. I want to take away 2. I want to take away plus 2. Right. And the rule says here that a minus and a plus is a minus. So I've got 6 minus 2, which is 4. And again, just write down that 6 minus 2 is 4, because we know it's right. I'm just showing you here how these rules apply. Okay? To try and explain to you and prove to people that they're right. Okay, so that's how we add and subtract negative numbers. So if I'm adding a negative number, I'm really taking it away. And if I'm taking away a negative number, I'm really adding it. Okay? Those are the two most important rules to remember when you're adding and subtracting negative numbers, okay?